Hi everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create a PDF using Canva. Whether it's a presentation, a resume, or any document you need, saving as a PDF makes it polished and professional. Let's walk through the process step by step. Once you finalize your design in Canva, look to the top right corner and click on the Share button. This is your gateway to exporting the design. From the drop-down menu, select Download. This opens a panel where you can decide which file format to export. Here, Canva gives you different formats like PNG and JPG for images and PDF options for documents. By default, it's set to PDF standard. This is great for online use and easy sharing. If you need a high-resolution version for printing, choose PDF print instead. For most quick projects, PDF standard works perfectly. Double check that it's selected before moving forward. Now, just click the download button again. Canva will process the file and download it directly to your computer. Depending on file size and internet speed, this might take a few seconds. And that's it. Your PDF is now saved, ready to share, print, or present. The best part? PDF keeps your design intact so it looks exactly the way you created it across all devices. Thanks for watching this Canva Quick Start Guide. I hope you found it simple and helpful. Keep exploring Canva's features and you'll be creating professional designs in no time. Stay creative and I'll see you in the next tutorial.